How's it going, everybody? Thank you for joining me today. My name is Carson, and today we're taking a look at the Xbox Series X. I am so excited. I've had a Series S over the past couple years, and it's been a great console, but when the new Call of Duty dropped, I wanted to get my hands on something a little more powerful that ran a little bit smoother, and I am finally excited to have this thing in my hands. Let's just get right into this. All right, so I have it set up and it's currently downloading all my games and content, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick review or summary at least of the unboxing experience. It was really easy, really pleasant. Xbox is super easy to set up. I paired it with my phone and then kind of continued the setup process through that. I'm excited to explore the phone options more easily. Apparently you can like download games remotely. I haven't actually done that with my Series S, but I'm hoping to get into that because it'd be cool to be like, oh yeah, I want that game. And before I forget, I can just buy it on my phone. I'm excited to actually play some games and see the difference. Honestly, that's why I got it, is so I could get smoother frames in Call of Duty at a higher and more consistent resolution. So I'm gonna do a full-on proper comprehensive review after I've had some time to play with this thing a little bit. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. But if you're not interested, I can't blame you. And I also would like to do a comparison video to my trusty little Series S here that I've had for a couple years. And by the way, just a spoiler alert, I'm a huge fan of this device. So stay tuned for the upcoming review where I kind of cover everything in more detail and put it through its paces. And then yeah, until then, hopefully I'll just see you guys later.
I went back to my old school. I started thinking of you. Thought about how long it's been, and if we'd ever see each other again.